Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country cottage inspired vintage home decor ideas. Let's start the video. Country cottage inspired vintage home decor is a warm, cozy and charming decorating style that takes inspiration from traditional countryside cottages. It blends simplicity, comfort, and natural beauty to create spaces that feel inviting and timelessness. This style is all about relaxed living with rustic touches, vintage character, and soft romantic details. Overall, country cottage decor feels like stepping into a beautiful countryside retreat, simple, fresh, and filled with vintage charm. It is not about perfection, but about creating a space that feels warm, loved, and timeless. Let's dive deeper into country cottage inspired vintage home decor so you can fully picture the feeling it creates in a home. The essence of country cottage decor, it is comfort first. The design priorities coziness, softness, and charm over sleek modernity. It feels nostalgic and homely, reminds you of countryside living, old cottages, and simpler times. It is a blend of rustic and romantic, natural wood, stone, and handmade pieces mixed with delicate floral touches and soft fabrics. Key style elements, materials, and finishes wood, often weathered, whitewashed, or painted in pastel tones. Stone and brick, exposed fireplaces or walls to give authentic country charm. Iron and wicker used for baskets, chairs, and small accessories. Furniture choices use farmhouse tables, spindle-back chairs, and window cabinets, iron or wooden bed frames with soft layered bedding, smaller cozy pieces that feel collected rather than bought, all add-ons. Fabrics and patterns, florals, use soft rose, lavender, or wildflowers prints. Chicks and gingham use curtains, cushions, and tablecloths, lace and crochet for table genres, pillow shims, and curtains. Layering, mixing textures like linen cushions, old straws, and cotton quilts. Decor and accessories use old-fashioned ceramics, enamelware, and teapots. Handcrafted items like oven baskets, embroidery, and pottery. Vintage mirrors, soft rugs, and rustic wooden shelves. Use fresh-cut flowers or herbs in jugs and pitchers. Lighting and atmosphere gentle and warm, never harsh. Lamps with fabric shades, lanterns, and fairy lights for cozy glow. Candles in window holders or glass jars. Emotional feel of country cottage decor, cozy and relaxed. Caresses solo living and comfort, romantic and nostalgic. Reminds you of simpler, homely times. Fresh and naturals, inspired by nature, gardens, and seasonal beauty. Timeless and lived in. Not about being perfect or modern, each piece has a story. Common variations English cottage style use floral wallpapers, chintz fabrics, and vintage china. French country cottage use neutral tones, rustic wood, touches of elegance. Rustic farmhouse cottage, heavier wood furniture, art tones, and handmade crafts. Shabby chic cottage, whitewashed, distressed furniture, pastel accents, and delicate vintage decor. Country cottage decor is like living inside a storybook home. Soft light, cozy fabrics, vintage treasures, and the gentle charm of countryside living. The soul of country cottage style. It is storytelling through interiors. Even item looks like it has a history, a memory, or a sentimental meaning. Unlike modern minimalism, it celebrates imperfection. A chipped jug, a worn quilt, or a withered chair feels beautiful because it carries time's touch. It connects with nature and seasons, bringing garden flowers inside, using herbs for both cooking and decor, and letting natural light flood the rooms. It is not just decoration but way of life. Slower mornings, handmade touches, cozy family gatherings, and the feeling of home above all. Key characteristics in details, architecture and background, exposed beams, stone fireplaces, and wooden floors, low ceilings and small windows in traditional cottages, softened with light colors and airy fabrics. Walls often finished in plaster, painted in soft white, or covered with floral wallpaper. Furniture character, each piece was collected over time, not from a showroom. Painted cupboard, old trunks, wooden chest, and iron bedsteads. Sleep covers or layered cushions that make setting extra cozy. Decorative spread, natural beauty, flowers in pictures away on shelves, lavender bundles drying in the kitchen, craft tradition, handmade quilts, recent talis, embroidered curtains, treasures, old books, porcelain figurines, enamel mugs, and vintage clocks. Textures and layers use rough, wood or stone, meat soft, like cotton, lace, and wool. Use layered rugs, straws, and cushions give a sense of warmth and fullness. Faded diamond surfaces create a relaxed, lived-in vibe. Colors and patterns, gentle creams, white, pastels, and soft earthy shades. Cheerful floral prints and contains bedding and table linens, gingham and straps for a rustic yet playful accent. The atmosphere it creates cozy intimacy, rooms feel snug and safe, romantic softness, gentle curves, florals, and delicate details, nostalgic warmth, like stepping back into childhood summers or a grandmother's cottage. Everyday beauty, ordinary objects like teapot, baskets, garden tools become part of the decor. Lifestyle connection meals are often shared at a farmhouse table with mismatched chairs. Baking, garden, and crafting are natural extensions of the decor. Homes smell of fresh bread, flowers, or wood smoke, adding to the sensory charm. It encourages soloist, enjoying tea, reading by the fireplace, or napping under a quilt. Cottagecore decor is more than a style, that's a philosophy of comfort, nature, and nostalgia. It turns a house into a home that feels warm, welcoming, and timelessly charming. The aesthetic language of Cottagecore style, time out beauty, celebrates patina, faded fabrics, chipped paint, signs of life well lived. Mix and match spread, mismatched china, chairs, and tables create this warmth, not uniformity. Simplicity with MC, functional everyday objects doubles as decoration. A teapot with flowers, a basket hung on the wall. Nature indoors. Stones, old wallflowers, herbs, and garden product blur the line between home and nature. Seasonal expressions. Spring is fresh florals, pastel cushions, open windows, light lace curtains swing in the breeze. Summer baskets of wildflowers, wicker chairs, crisp cotton linens, picnic style table settings. Autumn quilts layered on beds, pumpkins, and carved in corners, Warm plate shows golden candlelight. Winter, fire crackling in the hut, knitting blankets, pine garlands, soft glowing lanterns. This style adapts with the seasons, always feeling its tune with nature's rhythm. Emotional and symbolic layers, comfort. Wraps in your coziness like a favorite old blanket. Nostalgia connects the childhood memory, family tradition, and timeless rituals. Romance, a candlelit dinner, a floral teacup, a lace curtain, dancing in sunlight. Saloness reminds you to pot, savor tea, smell the roses, or simply sit in a cozy chair with a book. Topical room by room touches. First, living room. Use overstuffed sofa with patchwork quilts, floral curtains, vintage books, and soft lampshades. Next, kitchen. Use open shelves with enamel iron, messengers, and farmhouse sinks, herbs in clay pots. Bedroom. Use iron bed frame, layered quilts, lace trimmed pillowcases, and soft rug underfoot. Bathroom. Use clawfoot tub, wicker baskets, floral wallpaper, and lavender soaps. Garden interior. Use mud boards, a woven basket, a simple bench, blending practicality with charm. The deeper lifestyle philosophy. Cottage Decor is not just about how a home looks, it is about how it feels to live in. Homegrown and handmade, valuing craft, baking, and gardening. Sustainability, reusing, repurposing, and cherishing old objects. Connection to nature, flowers, herbs, and fresh air as part of daily life. Warm hospitality, making guests feel welcome with tea and cozy set and heartfelt charm. Cottagecore inspired home decor is a poetic blend of rustic simplicity, romantic charm, and nature's embrace. It creates a sensory where beauty is found in the ordinary, and every detail whispers of comfort, nostalgia, and timeless homeliness. The heart of Cottagecore is a style. It is not polished or staged, it feels lived in, warm, and personal. It treasures the ordinary made beautiful, a handmade quilt, a wildflower bouquet, a well-worn chair. It whispers of solo living, mornings with tea, windows open to fresh air, evenings with candlelit and a state of bright color. Subtle design codes, flow, and layouts. Rooms are often small and cozy, designed for gathering. Spaces feel intimate with furniture placed close for conversation. Corner matter, a small sitting nook with a chair and lamp, is as important as a dining table. Textures and layers, rough plus soft balance, a stone wall softened by lace curtains or a rug table with tailgate china. Layering brings depth. Multiple cushions, a quilt trapped over a sofa, rugs stacked for warmth. Tactile comfort is key. Nothing should feel cold or hot. Objects with stories, vintage finds, flower market treasures, inherited keepsakes. Every item is made to feel like it has a memory attached. Even new pieces are chosen for their timelessness, not trends. The atmosphere it creates tenderness, soft light, gentle fabrics, and floral scents. Nostalgia, a sense of stepping back in time into something familiar. Seasonal harmony, it changes with garden. Blossoms in spring, greenery in summer, harvest in autumn, evergreens in winter. inviting a spirit guests feel instantly at home, as though they have visited before. Symbols with the styles: flower, equal romance, natural cycle, fragility of beauty. Wood equal grounding connection to earth and strength. Textiles equal comfort, nature, and handmade care. Vintage details equal memory, family ties, and heritage. The lifestyle behind the decor. It is not about buying a look. It is about living a way of life, embrace cooking from scratch, baking or preserving fruit, gardening, flowers, herbs, vegetables, even if only on a windowsill, crafting, quilting, crocheting or DIY touches, hosting warmly, tea, pies, laughter around a rustic table. Cottagecore inspired home decor is a gentle blend of story, sentiment, and simplicity. It reminds us that home is not about perfection but about comfort, memory, and belonging. Emotional core of Cottagecore is the style belonging, a space that feels like a warm embrace, where nothing is too perfect and everything has a place. Continuity, it links generations. A grandmother's china, a mother's quilt, a child handmade craft, all living together. Ritualness, room suits you with softness, gentle colors, and familiar objects. Joy in the everyday, the beauty of bread cooling on a wooden counter, sunlight hitting a lace curtain, a vase of daisies on the table. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.